Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to insert into table in MySQL. In the previous video, we learned how to create a database, how to create tables, and in this tutorial, you will learn how to insert into tables in MySQL. Okay, so are you ready? Let's get started. Open MySQL Workbench. In the previous video, we created this database, school, and we created tables. Okay, and no, we created this database bank, and we created a table which is customer. So let's select the database by using use bank and run it, as you can see. And now I selected and it will be bold, as you can see. And now let's select everything from customer. Let's see what I have in this table. Okay, select everything from customer, not customers, and run it. As you can see, the table is empty. Okay, let's insert some data into tables by using insert into table customers. Okay, and then open parentheses and write the columns. As you can see, customer ID I will not, because it's a primary key in auto increment. First name, last name, and email and phone number address. Okay, then close the parentheses and then values. Value, the first name should be, for example, John. uh, John, and comma the last name, for example, Jackson, and email should be, for example, john at gmail.com, and then phone number 0777. Okay, and address Zurich, for example. That's just and close parentheses and uh, insert into customer, and then the column name, and then the values. Let's select this query and run it. As you can see, it's successful. Let's see by using, let me select everything from customer. As you can see, I inserted this data into this table, Jackson at gmail.com, and so that's how you can insert into tables and MySQL. So if you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next video.